Today is a full-on gloss day because we're gonna be swatching all the Lancôme Juicy Tubes. Hi, I'm Nina Davallori. I'm a former Miss America filmmaker activist, and today is a beauty day. My friends at Lancôme sent me a bunch of Juicy Tubes, and I remember these so well, and we're gonna just start swatching every single one of them. Shade number 1 is Pure, and this is a clear gloss, what I assume. Yep, it's just a straight up clear gloss. I love how these feel on the lips because they're not like goopy, is what I would say. Like these are like the original, I feel like ones that we used in high school. I know, I was a bougie high schooler, okay? Like I was. But I was like in pageants, I was super into makeup, so that's not surprising here, obviously. But these were like the OG ones that like when they came out, I don't know if they came out when I was in high school or if I just discovered it, but like, oh, it was like the ones that we could just like put in our pockets or in our bags and like just put it on and not have to worry about anything else except just like the gloss. And like, of course, this was the 2000s, so gloss was the thing, right? Obviously. But this is Pure. Number 2 is Spring. I have worn Spring so many times. I wore this, I did like a boat day video. It's like that light tint pink. It's not like a pure clear, but it gives you like the little bit of tint that you need. So I love it, but it also just looks beautiful on its own, even on like brown skin. Like I don't know if I would have like automatically reached for it because I would have been like, ugh, it's too light for like my skin, but this actually looks really nice even alone when you wear it. So I would say brown girl friendly for sure. Number 3 is Dreamsicle. I love the name. And this is like a light purple shade-ish. I would say very similar to the pink one, Spring, but it's just more, has like a little more purple to it. Let's see how this is gonna look. I think this one reads like a little more whitish on camera than the pink one did for some reason. It doesn't look natural to me, so I feel like I could wear this on a like dark lip, like a plum lip, and then top it with this. That would totally make sense, but alone, I definitely wouldn't recommend it. So if you're like looking for like one of these, I would not go with this one. Number 4 is Miracle. This is also in the little purple color family, but she is sparkly. I love that for her and me. Oh, this is like a pretty bubblegum pink. I actually really like this one. Again, it's not something I would like constantly reach for, but I feel like it does look okay alone with nothing on it. Definitely gonna give you that pop of shimmer, even on brown skin, just alone. I think this is fun on its own, fun topper, wear it with any pink, any berry color too. It's gonna like lighten up the berry color if that's what you're looking for, but even alone, I think it's a little fun one. Marshmallow Electro. All right, this one feels very similar to the last one as well, but I think again with that little more purple tint and shade to it. Ooh, I like her. Oh, this purple is nice on me. Oh my gosh, like, oh, you know what? I think this has gold shimmer in it and the other one had silver shimmer in it. What a huge difference. Wait, let me pull out the other one. Number 4 was Miracle, and we're on number 5 right now. Yeah, oh my gosh, totally. Like, look at that difference. So this one has silver, like sparkles that reflect off of it, and this one, which is the Marshmallow Electro, has like gold sparkles in it, and this looks beautiful. Like, for sure my favorite so far. We got 10, we're halfway there, so like, ooh, number 6 is Shimmer, and she looks shimmery for sure. Like, hello. I definitely feel like they're getting more brown friendly as the shades get from 1 to 10. Like, that's what's happening here. But look at this. This is such a pretty bronze color. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that for Shimmer. Hi, Shimmer. It's nice to meet you. Oh, so satisfying. I wanted to really love this, but I feel like it's reading like a little whitish on me. I don't know if like the shimmer is like actually dark enough. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I think this one's actually a miss for me. I don't think I would use it as a topper or every day. But why don't we go to number Magic Spell. Ooh, this one is like a deeper pink and it has more gold reflection in it. Can you see that? So I think I'm actually gonna like this one a lot. Magic Spell, I love the name too. You know, names make a difference. They really, really do. Oh, yes, I love it. So pretty. Also, this one smells good. I feel like they all have had different scents maybe? Am I imagining this? I wonder if you can see these like subtle differences on camera or if I'm just here like putting the same stuff on and you're like, nothing looks different. I mean, I think I can see it. It's definitely more pink. You can use this alone for sure. It's shimmery, not solid. So keep that in mind. I also love this for my skin tone and the fact that it has gold reflection is a bonus too. So Magic Spell is giving magic. Ooh, this is like moving into solid territory. All right, this is Tickled Pink. This is like a really perfect everyday, throw in your bag, put it on. It will go with any outfit. It will go with anything you're doing. I feel like it can be fancy, dressed up. It can be pants, it can be gym. Like this is that type of girl. And she is like here for me. Like, you know, it's just like the one that you can count on is what this one feels like. I really like it. Okay, I am really excited for this one because I'm pretty sure this is the first one I ever bought. Like, I'm pretty sure it was this shade. This is number 9 Hallucination, and it definitely has those gold sparkle reflection. It looks like a nude, which like I loved. I mean, everyone loves a nude lip, and like I know that like bronze always looks good on me. So I think this is like the first one I bought like maybe, I don't know, 15, 20 years ago. Let's see if she was right. I just love it. Like, look how pretty it is. Like, it feels so effortless. There's like a little something there, but not like a lot there. I know I had this during my year as Miss America, so I think I can't remember, like I definitely used this with MAC lip liner Spice, and I lined my lips and then I put this on top. This was like years and years ago. I like almost forgot about it until now. But like you can just see how it's sinking in and it gives you that like golden nude lip. Like this one does that. Like, ugh, I just remember it now. I need to find Spice and show you. Maybe I'll show you at the end and grab it, but it reminds me a little bit of like the original Fenty Gloss Bomb, like the universal shade. Like this was like probably the original one I was using. Now I use the Fenty Gloss Bomb, but like I need to revisit this one because it feels very similar to that, where you can just like pop it on top of anything and it just takes it up to that like next level glossy lip. Pretty excited for this one. Number 10. Ooh, this is like sparkle sparkle. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it looks like almost a little like multicolored. Framboise Pop. She's definitely meant to be fun. You know that girl who does like nothing but lip gloss and just looks amazing? This is that girl. Like this is that girl who's like there to have fun, very carefree, like very effortless, but like, you know, there's like a little pop of something there. Like there's not nothing. This is that one. Framboise Pop is giving all of that in one lip gloss. And I really like this on its own for sure. Last but not least, we went from 1 to 10 to number 18. This is Grape Arcade. And I'm actually really excited to try this because it is never something I would pick up and be like, yes, this is something I'm gonna go for. But I have a feeling it's probably actually gonna look pretty good. So let's give it a go. She does look good. Pretty sure I ate like half this gloss. This actually might be my perfect pink, even though it looks purple with like my skin tone. I feel like the Grape Arcade is giving me what Spring Fling probably does with lighter complexions. So Grape Arcade is actually probably giving me this like really pretty pink color, right? Like natural pink that we're going for. And this one, there was like one that like, it's probably like a little, it just looks more clear on me. Like you don't see any pigment when I tried this one on. And so I love like discovering this because I would have never ever like tried this or put it on otherwise. But like, this is probably like the brown girl version of like that really pretty like bunny pink lip. If you're looking for, I think this is the one for you. Full disclosure, this was all sent to me from my friends at Lancôme. They are part of the L'Oreal family. You guys know that, well, if you don't know, I'm on the L'Oreal DE&I advisory board, so I really believe in them and really believe that the company itself is really doing great work in the DE&I world. And I'm so grateful to have a seat at the table. I always like to say I am not the only voice, so please give me like thoughts, feedback, anything, just in like makeup world and what you're feeling, and you know, things that I can start the conversation with as well, because I think that's really important. But before I go, I'm gonna show you my spice combo with my original Hallucination lipstick. I am so excited to try this again. Like, it has been a minute. This is the MAC lip liner in Spice. It is one of my all-time favorite nudes. This was like my third or fourth pencil. And now for the big show, we're gonna top her off with Hallucination. It's pretty. Oh, it feels silly to like be so excited about this, but like I am. I like forgot how much I loved this. Like, it's such a pretty color and it's so complimentary. It's definitely like gives you that nude lip that feels effortless. This is not sponsored, genuinely. Like, I wanted to make this video because I like these lip glosses so much and I forgot how much I love them, to be honest. And I was like, I really need to go back to these. And it's been fun like rediscovering them and going back to them because it's such a nice formula. You just saw them all, and like I feel like they're very versatile. You can just buy one and use it for like different looks and different things. And yeah, it's like an easy everyday look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually had a lot of fun doing it and making it and playing around with some makeup. You know, I really do believe that we can redefine what beauty means to us, and I think a part of that is the work that I do with L'Oreal. So it just means a lot to me that you're here, that you're taking the time to watch this, that we're building this community where we can have more conversations than just what lipstick I'm wearing. Yes, I'm telling you, but there's more to it behind the scenes, and that's what I'm really excited to talk about here. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Comment below on just things that you're feeling in the beauty world, what's going on, and I will see you next time. Bye.